We've been drinking more microplastics than previously thought. And when I say more, I mean 10 to 100 times more than previous estimates. A new study out of Ohio State University found that tiny microplastics were also twice as high in bottled water than in tap water. So the researchers used new technological analysis techniques to determine that we are taking in more microplastics than we thought. They used scanning electron microscopy to figure out that the nanoparticles were not accounted for in previous studies. Now, we still don't know what it all means. Microplastics have been found in some pretty serious human body parts, including brain tissue, bone marrow, the liver, and blood. And for sure, some plastic has been associated with colon and lung cancer, and cardiovascular disease. But direct cause and effect studies are scarce. There's also the unsettling fact that there are no control groups for any of these studies. In fact, every human alive in existence has some level of microplastics in their system. We know that microplastics degrade DNA by oxidation and can cause cell death. And we also know that microplastics disrupt hormone systems. So what can you do to decrease exposure? Well, switching to filtered tap water is a good idea, along with not microwaving any meals in plastic containers. There's also a high amount of microplastics found in seafood that make their way up the food chain, so limiting how much seafood you eat is also probably a good idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this micro video.